In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best App Manager apps for Android. If you're looking to optimize your app management, whether for backing up, organizing, or uninstalling, these apps can help you streamline the process. Let's dive in and see what each of them has to offer. AppMgr Android. AppMgr Android is a user-friendly application designed to help users manage their installed apps effectively. This app provides features such as app backup, uninstallation, and organization into categories for easier access. Users can view detailed information about each app, including storage usage and permissions, allowing for informed management decisions. Additionally, it enables batch operations, letting users uninstall or back up multiple apps at once, which saves time and effort. Overall, AppMgr Android streamlines app management, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. AppMgr Pro III. AppMgr Pro III offers a comprehensive set of features to enhance app management on Android devices. This powerful app allows users to move applications between internal storage and SD cards to optimize storage space. With a clean and intuitive interface, users can easily batch uninstall, backup, or restore apps. The app also provides notifications for updates and enables users to hide apps from the app drawer. AppMgr Pro III includes a built-in privacy feature that helps manage app permissions, ensuring users can maintain their data privacy. Regular updates and support for multiple languages make it a popular choice among Android users. Skit Premium Apps Manager. Skit Premium Apps Manager stands out with its sleek design and robust functionality. This app manager allows users to manage their installed applications with ease. It offers features such as app backups, uninstallations, and detailed app information, including usage statistics. One of its notable features is the ability to create shortcuts for frequently used apps to improve accessibility. Skit Premium also supports batch operations, allowing users to perform actions on multiple apps simultaneously. With its modern interface and powerful features, Skit Premium provides a great user experience for managing apps efficiently. Thank you for watching our video on the best app manager apps for Android. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.